things. But with the weather, okay, we're all watching what's going on in the Atlantic Ocean, of course, that threatens Florida, the entire East Coast. We just got through this Ernesto thing that has caused some damage, especially North Carolina, and going to cause more. It's already causing damage right now in Ireland, causing damage up in northern Canada. But we really dodged a bullet. It did more damage in Puerto Rico and the Bahamas and Bermuda. But now we have over in the Pacific side, we have two storms. One is a hurricane right now, Hurricane GILMA, headed for Hawaii and getting bigger by the minute. And another one called Hector, who's in front of GILMA. It's not a hurricane yet, but is forming, intensifying quickly. I look for it to be a tropical storm before the day is over and maybe a hurricane by tomorrow. And these two storms could, if GILMA overtakes it, could become a monster. Now, the winds are churning to the south and east of the Big Island of Hawaii already, with strengthening projected as they move into the central Pacific near the state of Hawaii. A tropical storm behind that system revved up to hurricane status overnight, and there's another area of rough weather off the southwestern coast of Mexico that could get some energy behind it. That would be 3 in a row. The Central Pacific Hurricane Center tropical weather outlook, and this is from the Maui News. They're saying this morning they reported that showers and thunderstorms associated with this well-defined area of low pressure located well southeast of Hawaii continues to become better organized. If these trends continue, a tropical depression or tropical storm is likely to develop later today, which would be called Hector, while it moves generally westward at about 10 to 15 miles an hour toward Hawaii, according to a Hurricane Center report. A weaker disturbance located just to the southwest is expected to merge with Hector, making that a tropical storm or a full-blown cyclone. There's a 90% chance that this storm called Hector will develop into a tropical system within the next 2 days. But meanwhile, GILMA is behind it, headed toward Hawaii as well. The storm is then expected, Hector is expected to become more powerful, move into the central Pacific tonight or early tomorrow morning on a trek near the islands late this weekend or early next week. The Hurricane Center said while it remains too early to tell where and how bad any potential impact from this possible tropical storm cyclone could be, now is the time to keep a close eye on the developments. There is a possibility, folks, for strong winds and heavy rain in Hawaii. However, confidence in any potential impact is still low right now, as the Central Pacific Hurricane Center is talking about it. Confidence will remain low at least until this tropical cyclone develops.